Hello everyone. Today we will see how to prepare or how to make X bar chart and R chart in Excel. So first we will take one example. In this example question it is given total 30 samples, 10, 10 and 10, 30 samples are given, and we have to ask that using this first 20 samples we have to calculate the upper control limit and lower control limit for X bar and R. So know we already know that how to calculate this value. So after using this 20 sample we get this value for X bar and R, and after that it is asked that plot the next 10 sample on the chart. So the remaining 10 sample, this 10 sample, that is 21 to 30, we are going to use for prepare X bar chart and R chart. So first we will see for X bar chart. So now we simply just copy paste this data here and prepare one new table. So here in first column, that is serial number, that is 21 to 30, remaining 10 sample, and X bar, and for X bar upper control limit, lower control limit and control limit or center line are given. So we simply put all the values here, and now we select this data and go to insert and recommended chart. Here we see the first chart. Okay, now we simply add the axis title. Here we write the, it is given question that the spindle diameter, and here in y-axis spindle diameter, and in here it is given that subgroup number. So you can see clearly this upper orange line is upper control limit, this yellow lower control limit, and this is the X bar, and this gray one is center line. So we simply change the line, change the chart type, and we select this, so we will able to see the point easily. You can see, and here we put the title X bar ch. Okay, X bar chart. And here when y-axis we put the spindle diameter, and in x-axis we put the subgroup number. Similarly we draw the for R chart. We simply copy this data, this remaining 10 sample for R, and this is the 10 sample, and this is the value of R, and upper control limit, lower control limit, this value, and center line. So we simply select this and insert, and this chart we get here. So this is the one type of chart we can prepare, or another type we can also prepare this. Simply again select this and insert recommended chart, and change. For that we will select the column. Okay, and we can see here that we can change the thickness also. Now here this is the one type, this is the one type of control chart or R chart, and this is the another type. Whatever you want you can prepare both. And here we see that in this X bar chart we can clearly see that this sample number 21 is outside the lower control limit, and sample number 22, 26 and 28 are the outside of the lower control limit, and this shows that process is statistically out of control or under control, we can see with the help of these curves. And here with the help of R chart, we can see that all the samples are under the control limits. All the samples are under the control limit, that is upper control limit and lower control limit. Now we will see how to plot this graph in Minitab software. So we simply, first for X bar, we simply now we will simply copy this and paste in X bar. I already pasted here, and now we select go to the graph and time series plot. We select this multiple option in Minitab software, and what is the point, or we are going to select the what are the line you have to draw. First we have to draw X bar, upper control limit, center line, lower control limit, and simply OK. So we get this curve here, we can see here that this is the same graph like Excel, but in Minitab it is clearly visible that which points are out of control. And here we saw that here it is not showing the sample 21 to 30, so we will change this, double click here, then to labels, specify, we will write 21 space 22. Similarly we write up to 30, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Now this is the graph we are going to get after plotting with the help of this value. Okay.